y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'm so excited for today's video because so many of you guys have been requesting this look. Okay, I posted a picture on my Instagram and I think I shared it here on the community tab, and you guys were like, girl, where is the tutorial? I need it like now. The makeup that I'm about to do is super simple and easy, but I think it's that pop of red, that fiery red lip that is so hot for summer, and this golden hair. Those two together are a match made in heaven. Okay, they were made for each other, and I'm going to share with you guys how to get that look. It's super simple and easy, so let's dive into the video. Alright, I'm going to begin priming my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've been really loving this primer as of lately, so I might have to go and upgrade to like the full size after I'm finished with this travel size. Next, I'm going to set my primer with this MERCIER Translucent Medium Deep Powder. Actually, I was watching Jackie a while back. I think it was like last year, and she was talking about doing this tip, and it really does help for summer, so that's why I'm doing it now. And I just like to press it with a sponge. It gives you a little bit of coverage too, which is good. For foundation, I'm going to use my UOMA Beauty foundation. This is the Brown Sugar T1C shade. I've used this before in a video and I really do like this foundation. It's lightweight, but it gives you really good coverage. And I'm just going to bring some a little bit down my neck because for some reason I have not been getting tan. Maybe because I'm a homebody and I stay home too much, but my neck and chest is still very yellow. Yes, I know I could use a lighter foundation, but I like to look a little bit more deep, more bronze, especially for the summertime. Like, what is summer without a little bit more melanin? So to really play on that summer, you know, you gotta bronze your skin out. You gotta get a little bit more tanned. I don't know what's up with the summer. It's acting different. It's different than summers I'm used to. I'm used to being a lot deeper. Like, I'm used to being my summer shade by now. It is July. What is really going on? All right, so skin is looking oh so good, oh so delicious, oh so buttery, oh so popping. I'm gonna go in with this UOMA Beauty Stay Woke Concealer in the shade T1 Brown Sugar. This is a little on the peachy side, but it's all good in the hood. If I need to go in with a different shade, I will. Oh, that's really peach. I didn't realize how peach this was. Hopefully this is not a disaster. I have used this before and it wasn't that bad, so I don't know why it's coming up more peach now. While this sits on my face for a little bit, I'm gonna go in and contour with this Lancome Taito Ultra Wear makeup stick. This is in the shade 550 Suede. Honestly, I've never used these. I have a couple of these in my drawer. I've never used it, but I'm gonna try her out today. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to blend out that highlight. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is set my face. I'm actually going to set twice. I'm going to set my foundation and then I'll go back and set it after my face is complete. For the summertime, you just need that extra reinforcement. So I'm using the Lancome Fix It Forget It makeup spray. To set my face, I'm going to go back into that MERCIER Medium Deep Powder and take my sponge and just press it into my skin. We want that skin to look flawless. I'm going to set my under eye. I'm going to use two setting powders. Two setting powders. I'm going to go in with this MERCIER Translucent Powder. Now this one is really white. I just like the way it makes my under eye look. It doesn't give it like a casty white look if you don't go crazy. And I'm just going to press this into my skin. Kind of like a press and roll. And then I like to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm going to take my sponge and then just press this into my skin. I know it looks crazy and intense, and usually I do not do my baking so intense, but it is summertime, so you have to kind of like adjust your routine, because I mean the heat don't play, girl. humidity knows no baking. So you really have to go in there and just set that face like your life depended on it. I went ahead and threw on some brows really quick, and then I'll go back to kind of fix them once my face is complete. I'm gonna use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I love using this powder. This is like my favorite finishing powder. Okay, so now it's time to bronze using my MOCHA MAMI powder by Fenty Beauty, and we're just gonna add some color to this face. You know, I kind of go a little ham with this. I like to look like I actually take vacations often, although that is not the case, but a girl can dream, right? Vacation skin is loading, girls. Do you see that? Look at the skin. Look at the skin. Look at the skin. To kind of snatch my nose a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a lighter bronzer. This one is by Too Faced. This is their dark chocolate bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to use this blush by MAC. This is the Highlight the Truth Mineralized Skin Finish. I love this blush so much. It's like the perfect brown girl blush. Next, I'm going to highlight with this. Obviously, it's definitely loved. The shade is Glow With It. This one is by MAC. Look how gorgeous that is. I like to take it up into that eye and then kind of do a C. So no matter where you turn your head, girl, you're giving them a glow. I'm gonna take a little bit of Prosecco Pop by Becca just to be a little extra, because I mean, it's summertime. I'm allowed this opportunity. And I like it because it's like a very like gold. I'm gonna add this concealer by Too Faced. This is their Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I love this because there's a lot of like warm shades in here. I've had this for a minute, but it has a lot of like my favorite like oranges and things like that. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. Let's start off with this one right here. This is in the shade Louis, and we're gonna use that as our transition color. I'm gonna go to this shade right here called G and O, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that because honestly the lid of our eye doesn't need to be too colorful. Just a bit of sheen, and I like this because it's like an iridescent sheen. I'm gonna take my fingers and pat that in. Taking this black eyeliner by ColourPop, I'm just gonna line my waterline. I'm gonna go into these two shades, Louis and Buttercake. They're right next to each other, and just kind of like dip my brush into both. And that's what I'm gonna use to smudge out the bottom lash line. I'm going to wing out my eye. Hopefully I can do this on camera. I'm gonna apply some mascara to my lashes. I'm gonna apply these lashes by Salon Perfect. This is their 615 Cluster Lash. I'm gonna apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. All right, so now it's time to add some pow, some poppin', some to the inner corner highlight. This is like, I guess, my signature look. I get asked so many times about my inner corner highlight. Like, what do you use, girl? What is it? It's so bright. I use this shade right here within that same ColourPop Yes Please palette. The shade is called Spoiled. First, I wet my brush and then dip that brush into there and just illuminate that inner corner. This is how I get that super bright, bold inner corner highlight. See how it instantly brightens your eye, makes you look more awake, brighter, wider. You literally look like a walking doll. I'm gonna go in and set my face one more time. Okay, so now for the star of the show, girl, that bold, bright red lip, super fun, flirty, summer ready. So I'm going to line my lips with Overtime Lip Pencil by ColourPop. Next, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Luxe Lippy in the shade On Display. I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. Because when I say I want a bold red lip, I mean I want a bold red lip. So I'm gonna fan it a little bit because I want it to dry down just a bit so it's a little tacky, because I'm gonna go in with some glitter on top. All right, so on top of that, I'm gonna go in with this MCGRATH glitter. I got this from one of her lip kits a while back. I've had it for so long, but it still works. So we're gonna use her today. Dipping my finger into that glitter, and I'm just going to press it into my lips. Alright y'all, this is the completed look. I am in love with this makeup look. I feel like this look screams summer, okay? It just screams summer. This is a look, okay? Served on display for dinner, entree. We served, okay? This is your entree for the day, okay? All the calories you need is right here because this is a meal. Hair, makeup on point. I know y'all gonna ask, girl, makeup is cute and all, girl, but where's that hair from? This is a J Fashion Girl wig, my wig collection, my wig line. This is a wig that I made a long time ago. This is actually a wig I was going to launch in my wig line, for my wig line, but I didn't end up, you know, launching it. Plus, I have not worked on my wig line in a minute. I've just been kind of overwhelmed, okay? I cannot wait until I can dedicate or find some time to dedicate to my wig line, and once I do, she will be there thriving. Do you see this? Do you see this hair? Do you like get into this? I don't know why I've never worn this wig on camera. Like, she doesn't even fit in the frame. That's how big and extra she is. The girls are doing it this summer, okay? We are coming through with the looks, and if you're not serving, sis, what are you doing? Summer 2019, I'm gonna need you to get into it, okay? I really hope you guys enjoyed my little summer festive beat with this bold glittered lip and this bold hair. Everything is just bold about this look, but kind of that's like my personality. Introvert inside, extrovert outside. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Leave me a comment down below, girl. Let me know how you feel in this look. Are you here for her? Are you here for it? Did I serve? Did I disappoint? Did I come through? What did I do? And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.